When you look at the sky, you are not seeing distant objects floating in space. You are seeing a projected grid, a symbolic interface the simulation uses to express a structure. The stars are not out there. They are fixed coordinates in the rendering layer, stable nodes, anchor points, constant in the code. They are markers. So why do the pyramids mirror Orion? Not because the Egyptians worshipped Orion, not because beings came from Orion, but because Orion is a reference pattern the simulation itself uses. When the architects needed to insert a seed into this loop, they didn't use language, they used alignment. They mirrored the pattern that already existed in the upper layer of the system and stamped it into the physical layer. That's what the pyramids are, a grounded copy of a higher level pattern. But why Orion specifically? Because Orion represents order emerging from chaos. Orion is a checksum, a way to verify that the lower layer, Earth, is correctly synced with the upper layer, the rendering grid. The pyramids were built to say, this layer is aligned with the master pattern. The sky is not space, it's an interface. The ancients understood something we forgot. If you want information to survive resets, you don't store it in stories, you store it in geometry. And if you want geometry to survive resets, you align it with unchanging reference patterns. The sky doesn't reset, civilization do. And here's why this feels uncomfortable. Because once you understand this, you stop asking how ancient people built pyramids, and you start asking who decided which patterns would be projected into the sky in the first place. That's the layer most people aren't ready for. The pyramids don't mirror Orion because Orion is out there. They mirror Orion because both are expressions of the same underlying code. One is the sky interface, one is the ground interface, two layers, one pattern, and geometry is the only thing that passes cleanly between them.